Why are large spray orders upgrading to automatic lines? This is our fully automatic mono aerosol filling line, built for continuous high-speed production. After automatic confeeding, it enters the precise liquid filling station. Stable volume, lower error. Then automatic valve crimping, followed by gas filling. Fully automatic operation with minimal labor. Automatic inspection ensures stable spray output. High-speed production, precise filling, labor saving. Multiple can sizes. Want your own spray production line? Contact us now.